Hi guys, welcome back. Domain for Identity and Access Management. In this video, we're going to see password cracking tools, practice lab. Lab requirements, Windows Server 2016, domain controls, Windows Server 2016 member server, Windows 7. So this is the list we are going to see, the list of tools. Cain Abel, PWDump, LMHash, detecting rootkits. So we're going to see how to use these tools, how to download, how to install, and how to use it. Okay, so let's go for the practice lab. So this is a domain control, domain member server. So I'm going to connect Hyper-V, Windows 7. So if you guys have Windows 10 machines, want to test the password list tools, okay, this is good enough. So you guys can download the tool and test it only on Windows 10 machine if you want. So this is a Windows 10 machine, sorry, Windows 7 machine. So I have already downloaded. Or you keep it default settings, or you want to change, you can change the location. So okay, this is antivirus notification. Just ignore this one. Okay, let me open. Okay, here click the Cracker tabs. So click the Cracker tab. Here, just select the LM and NTLM hashes, and then click here. Next. So you guys can see the username, admin, administrators, and Bobby. Guys, so these are the username. Is the tool managed to find in the network. So we're just going to right click, try the brute force of only NTLM hashes. Okay, so here under the predefined in the test boxes contain a string of characters. So because it's 16, so we're going to reduce this 8, because it takes some time. So I just wanna show you. Okay, the maximum to 8, because the password cracking process is once initiated, it takes some time, because the time defined. Okay, press the start. The time defined, the time depends on the value defined in the maximum drop down, the max value. So the more you put, like 16 or 20, it takes more time. So I don't want to wait for you guys. So just make it always give a strong password, like 21 character mix of the combination of special characters, numbers, and the upper letter, lower letter. So always set up the strong password. Okay, let's wait for some time. is taking some time, so in the meantime, so we will use PWDump. So we will just go and see how to use a PWDump. Okay, so because he's collecting the hash, right, so just minimize. Okay, the PWDump 7 is a command-based utility that can help you to recover password hashes from local system as well as a remote system. So you can dump the hashes in the text file, and then using tools such as Cain and Abel and John the Ripper to the crack the hashes. Okay. Okay, now just open the AVG because it will detect. So I'm going to disable temporarily. Okay. So just for 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. So as you can see here, AVG. So if you have any antivirus, we just disable it. So okay, just minimize. Okay, so after minimize the AVGs, going to open command prompt, run as administrator. Okay, so I'm going to change the directory. Okay. So where the folder is located. Okay. Okay. Yes. PWDump. So okay, now we can see the list of results. So we're going to export this. To export, the usual command okay. So now the file copied to text file, and then the folder is the driver C drive, under the C drive, so you can check it. Here C drive, so you can see the hash file. So here the password, so the hash file, this is a hash. Okay, so now let's go back to, let's close it. So let's stop this. So it's taking time, right? Just click stop. So 1 hash cracked, 0 of 1 hash cracked. Just click exit. So close it or exit. So here you can just remove all. Okay, so just right click here, remove all. Yes, just remove all this. So all the entries are removed now. So we are going to add NT, just right click, add to list, insert. So here you can just select the first option. You can just select the first options, the import hashes files. So just click import button and then go to so where you save this file. Password. Okay, so now the file is added. So now just proceed, click next. So now you can see here that all the entry, so all the user entry, username, also is uploaded. So now we're going to perform the same step again. So just select the right administrator, root force, LMHash. So here we are going to change this string, the predefined strings. We are going to select only this. Okay, so just for just testing purpose only. So I'm just going to show you if I select the special character, so it takes some time, so that's why. So I'm going to change this 8. Sorry. So password length maximum 8. So now let's start. So now we can check the password is cracked or not from the hashes. Okay, so it's still taking time, so we will go for the next task. So I just minimize this. So note the number of days to crack the password as compared to the previous task where number of days was 5. Here the number of days has increased approximately 251,254 days. So you guys can see here 262 days. So you may get a slightly different value on the time left fields. So let's you can continue to observe this for a while and just continue to the next task. Just open this window, so don't close it. So so now we're gonna see the disable, just going to disable LMHash. So LMHash was stored in the SAM database with the older operating system such as Windows XP. However, from Windows Vista onwards, LMHash is no longer stored. So in the registry key, no LMHash. So it prevented the storage of LMHash in the SAM database. So if you have an older version Windows XP on your network, you can force disabling LMHash storage in the SAM database through the group policy. Okay. So let's connect the domain control now. Connect the domain control now. This is a domain control server. So here, let's go to the tools. Group policy management. Just take some time. What? Group policy management. Okay. Here. Just expand this, the forest, and then domain, expand this, then practice lab. Here the domain control. So here in the domain control, you can see here default domain policy. You can just right click, edit. So here we can expand here. Sorry, you need to expand the policy under computer configuration. So this one, and then Windows settings, and then security, expand the security, and then local policies, Here we can select the security options. Okay, so here you can just look for the policy setting. GO. Okay, network security. Yeah, so don't store local LAN. Network security here. So network security, don't store LAN manager has value next password change, so here just double click and then so just make sure it's enabled. Okay, and then so LAN manager authentication level, just double click, define. Oops, sorry. So you have to select here response only, the last one. Okay, so you have to select NTLM version 2, response only, refuse LM and NTLM. So click yes. Okay, so now you can see here, so this option is enabled. Okay, the policy have to make sure this enabled, and this one is you have to change it to send an NTLM to response only, refuse LM and NTLM. Okay, so let's close it. So let's close it. So now we can LMHash, we can see LMHash generation. Okay, so how to generate the LMHash from a password. So we can switch back to the Windows 7 server, sorry, Windows 7 workstation. So here is still taking time, the brute force attack window. So just going to click stop and exit. Okay, so let's open the Internet Explorer on domain member server. So just minimize this virtual Hyper-V. So Windows 7, just minimize the Windows 7. So this is a Hyper-V, so just minimize. So I'm going to, this is a domain member server. Okay, so I'm going to open the Internet Explorer. Okay, now so let's open the website. Okay, so now so in the password test box we're going to enter just dummy password. Okay, now just click calculate hash. So the NTLM hashes, you can see here the password dump, password dump format. This is the hashes. So you can just close here. So now just open the Hyper-V, the Windows 7 machine. So now we can open the Internet Explorer. So here I'm just going to open the Threadfire. So the Threadfire is a monitoring. You can see the Threadfire, previously known CyberHub, is an anti-spyware monitoring tools that aims to protect you from malware before it gets anywhere near your system. It does it monitoring and then of your PC in real time to check strangers. Okay, I have to download these. Okay, download. So I have already downloaded, so run it. Finish. Okay, so here you can just click start scan, and then click the Rootkits scan. So here there is an option, IntelliScans and full scan. So I leave it a default setting, so just proceed scan now. Start scan. This is a rootkit scanning, okay, because I'm doing detecting the rootkit. Sure, it's taking time. Okay, the scan is completed, so no threat is detected. The rootkit detector, this is a rootkit tool. But anyway, I will show you that. So the hash file, this is a hash file, right? So for administrators, hash file. So what we can do here now, so let me show you. So just open this website, type password at 123. Okay, so this is hash. Copy this. You can now open the crack station. So just copy here the hash. So you see here the password, same password, right? So this is how you can get the hash, the password. So you need to get the hash file in order to get the password. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. Please subscribe my channel. I'll post more later on videos like a practice lab. So press the bell button to get more update. Share the video if you like. Thank you guys. Bye bye.